Hi there, my name is Caleb, and today I'm going to show you how I transformed this wall into this wall on Second Son Woodworks. Stay tuned. For today's project I will be using various supplies, including tongue and groove siding, R13 insulation, a white pegboard, 2x4s, black galvanized steel pipe with fittings, and a few other materials. I'll link everything up in the description below. If you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, do it now. Alright ladies and gents, let's get started. The first step in this project was for me to clear away all the items stored against this wall. Once everything had been moved, I brought in the first bag of R13 pink insulation made by EcoTouch. This insulation was cut to the perfect size for these 2x4 walls that are in my shop. I then used, later on, a air-powered staple gun to attach to different sheets. But before doing that, I used a bottle of Great Stuff spray insulation to fill in any cracks or voids in the wall. If you use this insulation, you'll notice each sheet includes a bit of extra paper on the face that you can fold over onto the studs. This makes adding the staples pretty easy. Once all the insulation had been added to the wall, I then began adding the tongue and groove siding panels. I started in the bottom left-hand corner of the wall and then moved from left to right, first finishing one row before moving back over to the left side to start the next row. I would always use the last cut piece to begin the new row. This ensured that all the seams between boards in each row were offset. The tongue and groove section of these boards are thin and easily crack, so be sure to take your time. Make sure the groove on the entirety of each board is attached to the tongue of each of the lower boards. Then move on to pinning the board to the wall at each stud, either with nails and a hammer, or in my case, an air-powered nail gun. Once all the tongue and groove boards were attached to the wall, I cut down 6 2x4s that would attach to the wall and serve as a sort of frame for the white pegboard. These 2x4s will hold the pegboard away from the wall with a bit of open air space in between the pegboard and the wall so that I can attach hooks to the pegboard to hold various tools. Once the 2x4s were attached to the wall, I then attached the pegboard to the 2x4s. After that, I attached 6 3/4 inch pipe flanges to the wall where I would be able to screw in 3/4 inch pipe and caps that will serve as lumber storage racks. Make sure to use at least 3-inch screws to attach these flanges and make sure they are attached to a stud. They will be holding some weight. I used some 2x4s as baseboards for the wall. Last step was to hang a good old Montana poster, a skull I found in the woods while fly fishing, and all my tools. Then I needed to place some wood on the racks. Alright everyone, thanks for watching my video all the way to the end. If you have any comments or questions, put them below. If you need any of the materials, check out the links below. And most importantly, if you haven't hit the subscribe button, do it now. You make me smile. Alright, Cheers.